In Leyland SDM, we are delighted to give away £10,000 to local groups or charities in London. In our Acton store, we've donated £1,000 worth of product to Acton Arts. They are a fantastic group that's turning an old library to a brand new cinema.
Acton Arts Project is a CIC of local residents who got together because we were determined not to let this building fall into the hands of developers, really. When it first closed, there was some interest from Curzon in buying it, and that really sort of sparked the imagination of the community, and a lot of people were chatting about, oh, we're going to have a cinema, and kind of building on that, we've taken over. It was brilliant to get the money from Leyland SDM. It was the best news, perfect timing. It's really sort of boosted the project because we've been confidently buying enough paint and other products as well. We've got the product to seal the floors, lots of tools, lots of sandpaper, lots of filler, gaffer tape, masking tape, all the plastic sheeting that's been protecting the floors once they were sanded. So lots of huge shopping bill. The Leyland SDM in Acton Vale has been really good. The staff are lovely and they've been really helpful, and I've been popping in there quite a lot, and yeah, so they all know me now, I think.
To apply for your share of £10,000, please visit leylandsdm.co.uk/givelondonalift.